Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So as you all know that we have started chapter 4 carbon and its compound. So this is part 4 video for the same, and today we will cover about unsaturated hydrocarbons. In previous video we have studied about saturated hydrocarbons. So today we will know about unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so you will clearly know by watching this video that what is the difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So let's begin today's video. So students, the hydrocarbons which possess double bond or triple bond between them are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. And in unsaturated hydrocarbons specifically, it is divided into two types. If there is double bond between carbon atoms, then they come in alkene family. And if there is triple bond between carbon atom, then they comes in alkyne family. So today we will discuss in detail about alkene and alkyne. Okay, so let's begin with alkene, students. And as you all know, the formula for alkene is CnH2n, and it will start with ethene, because for methane it's not possible. Okay, you can try for methane, it will not be possible. Okay, so here hydrogen atom will be cannot be placed with carbon, so methane structure is not possible. So we will make one table and then suggest us number of carbon atom, then we will write name for the same, then we will write chemical formula, and then at last I will write structure. Okay students, so if n's value is nothing but 2, so the formula will become C2H4, name will be ethene, and structure will be too simple, C double bond C, student, C double bond C, because in alkene there is presence of double covalent bond between two carbon atoms. So C2H4. So here if you see on the left side of carbon atom there are two covalent bond present. So here two hydrogen atom can come. Same way for right side two hydrogen atom can come. So it is C2H4. Okay, so according to the, actually I have just reverse the name and chemical formula, so I will correct it. So name is ethene and chemical formula is C2H4, and you can see the structure is like this. Okay, now let's try to make for n equal to 3. That means if there are 3 carbon atoms, then the formula will become C3H6 and name will be propene, and your structure is simple, C double bond C and then single bond with C. Now why double bond is not present between each and every carbon atoms? Okay, so answer lies over here, that only 6 hydrogen you have to accommodate, or 6 hydrogen you have to accommodate. So for accommodating 6 hydrogen, you have to place double bond only between two carbon atoms, not between each and every carbon atoms that are coming. Okay, so here let's try to place 6 hydrogen atoms. So 2 carbon atom is present in over here and one is there on right side. So students, if you try to observe left side carbon atom, then 2 covalent bond is there, so 2 hydrogen atom can come over here. If you try to concentrate on the carbon atom that lies in middle, then here you can see 3 covalent bond are linked with it, so 1 hydrogen can come over here, and at rightmost side the carbon atom is having 1 covalent bond, so 3 covalent bond can come over here, and the structure is ready for us, that is nothing but propene. Okay, Now let's try to make for n equal to 4. So name will be butene. Formula is too simple, that is C4H8, and structure again C. See, I have placed double bond only between two carbon atoms, not between each and every carbon atoms. Now here one covalent bond is present, so 3 hydrogen can come. Here 3 in second carbon, 3 covalent bonds are present, so 1 hydrogen can come. Here also same case, 3 bonds are present between left and right side. There are 3 bonds linked with carbon atom. At rightmost side only 1 covalent bond is there, so 3 hydrogen can come. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and this is the structure of butene. Okay, fifth, and this is the last structure that I will cover in this video for alkene series. Then name is pentene. According to name, the formula will become C5H10. Now let's try to make the structure. See, there will be 5 carbon atom present, so I have just placed 5 carbon atoms. Here 1 covalent bond, so 3. Here 2, so 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. 3 is there, so 1 hydrogen. Here 2 is present, so 2 hydrogen. Okay. Now I think pentene structure is clear to you all. I have made pentene structure same as butene and the previous structure that we have discussed in this video. So if you count the hydrogen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 10. Okay, so now I think you all are clear with alkene family. Now we will go to alkyne family, and in alkynes the formula will change to CnH2n minus 2, and there will be triple covalent bond between carbon atoms. There will be triple covalent bond. Okay, so here also the structure will start from eth group. That means there will be 2 carbon atoms minimum in order to form alkyne, or in order to start the alkyne group. So let's take n value as 2. So name will be, as you all know, ethyne, because if there is 2 carbon atom then eth family will come, and yn is the suffix that will include, so ethyne. Formula will be nothing but C2H2, and the structure will be too simple. See students, triple covalent bond is already present, so both carbon atoms are having 3 covalent bonds, so only 1 hydrogen can come to obey tetravalency rule. Now let's try to place n value as 3. So name will be propyne. Formula will be C3H4. If you place 3 over here, students, 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. So again I will try to make the structure. See students, I have placed only 1 hydrogen atom, because here you can see in rightmost carbon atom 3 covalent bond is already present. Okay, so 1 hydrogen atom can come over here. In middle carbon atom, students, try to understand no hydrogen will be attached, because this carbon atom is having already 4 covalent bond if you count. Okay, so we will directly shift to the leftmost carbon atom. Here you can see only single covalent bond is present, so 3 hydrogen can come to have a covalent bond with this carbon atom, and if you count total hydrogen atom, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our structure is correct according to the formula. Now let's try to understand for n equal to 4, name will change to butane. Formula will also change to C4, H will become 6. 2 4s are 8 minus 2, that will be 6. So 6 hydrogen atom will be there. Let's try to make the structure to understand it better way. 4 carbon atom is there, and I have placed triple covalent bond over here. So here you can see at leftmost part 1 covalent bond is there, so 3 will come. For this carbon atom and this carbon atom, there will be no hydrogen bonding, and at rightmost part of carbon atom, you can see that 3 hydrogen atom can come. So total hydrogen will become 6. I hope you all are clear. Now let's try to change n value as 5. So name will be pentyne, and the formula will again be C5H8. 2 5s are 10 minus 2, that will become 8, and structure is simple again. You have to just place 5 carbon atom in a straight change, and then you just have to bond hydrogen by keeping tetravalency rule in your mind. So here single covalent bond, so 3 hydrogen atom will be attached. Here no hydrogen atom, here again no hydrogen atom. Here 2 is already there, so 2 hydrogen atom will come. Here 1 bond line is there, so 3 bond line will be present. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So hope students आप सबको एल्कीन एंड अल्काइन के बीच का डिफरेंस समझ में आ गया होगा, स्ट्रक्चर कैसे फॉर्म करना है वो समझ में आ गया होगा. तो आपको नोमेनक्लेचर वाले पार्ट में ये दोनों जो ग्रुप है वो इजी लगेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.